How to turn on post notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click view your profile, and now click go to any post you want and click these 3 points here, and now just click you will find it here, this one, turn on notifications for this post, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.